Hey, what's up guys? We're back here with Your Mind is Your Room Part 2, and this time we have a flat. So we're gonna check out the flat and just see what the mind looks like, because we're always developing, we're always changing, as long as keep just learning things, learning to feel, just feeling. That's what's it about. So we're gonna start out with the best view of the house. So here we have the balcony. Yeah, you got the ocean, the sunset, smoke a Zoll, happy days. So continue on the balcony. We have the pool area down there, which is great for swimming. And we have this sun area where we have business meetings and also rock out. We have an electric guitar over here. Yeah, it's great. And then over here we have the TV room. And you could plug your computer into there. You have a keyboard there, so you could edit, you could watch documentaries, and then you can just read right here because it's just comfortable. And we move on. We have the studio. So here's the studio, and some tripods, a whiteboard. We're actually moving in maybe 2 days, moving the studio just down the street because we need more space. So it's gonna be all cleared up. And yeah, so let's go on to my favorite room of the house. Right here, if you know me, you know the one thing I need when I live somewhere is space. So here we have space. We move the table to have space right here. So you have parallettes, you got the yoga, you can just do capoeira here, just play around, just move. You have this giant mirror right here, so you could just see your movements and just practice, and just feel the movement, Like, it's so good. So here we have the workstation, where you work and eat. And we have some goggles right there. And we have the mate, which was actually made recently, so it should still be pretty warm. Yeah. Oh, that's good. All right, continue along. Here we have the kitchen area. It's a bit messy right now just because the maid hasn't come, and it's Sunday. So yeah. And it's a pretty privileged statement, but it's pretty cool having a maid. So yeah, and then here we have, where you cook. We have the juggling balls, just in case you want to juggle while you're cooking. Some amazing popcorn. The stuff is so great. It's freaking amazing. And yeah, and then here's one good thing about South Africa is you're close to Mozambique. So you have all kinds of peri-peri sauces, and you got Oros, man. And yeah. So we continue along. We have the green screen right here, and it's out of the way because it's been giving us a lot of problems, but hopefully with the new studio we'll be able to use it more efficiently. And right here, we have the washer, the dryer, the wine cooler, and yeah, let's continue along. Yeah, this is the main entrance. That's the main entrance right there. Let's get this light figured out. Here are the rooms. That's Andrew's room. I don't know where he is. It's Bubba Lust Day, so he might be just crashed out right there. Sunday, here's a spare bedroom. Here's a spare bathroom. And here's my room. Let's bring this down. We have, just a bathroom. And we have my room. Yeah. Right here. And then we have, the AC unit because it gets like 30 degrees over here in the desk to do some classes. And yeah, this is the flat. This is the mind. This is the current space I'm in. So I hope you enjoyed. Here we are in Durban, Umhlanga. It's pretty hot. Like I said, it's like 30 degrees, and yeah, it's been quite a journey over here. So just keep on keeping. Don't forget to feel, and don't forget to move. And for all you capoeiristas out there that's watching this, don't forget 30 minutes every day. No excuses, and keep on training. I'll see you guys later. Ciao.